animated explainer videos in social medias like Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. used to play a dramatic role in the field of education, storytelling, finance, businesses, and making other digital products like courses or something like that. Well, while visiting YouTube, you may have seen some explainer animated videos that content creators uses to make their storytelling impactful. And you know what is the great news? You can also make those kind of 2D animated videos with less amount of time and effort by using AI tools. All you need is just your time and creativity, and your storytelling will explode. I promise you, by going through this video, you will learn how to create those animated videos by using AI tools. So just take your time, drink some water, and then get started. Okay, so this is our first application. It is called Render Forest. The link will be in the description. After clicking in that link, you will be directed to the main page. Just go and sign in, and after that you will be directed to this page. Here you will be able to find the video section. Here you will be able to find animation. By using Render Forest, you can do multiple things, like you can design your website for marketing like that, but those will be just basic level of website. Anyway, we're not talking about it. If you're making any sort of course, then you can use these explainer video toolkits to make like characters. Let me show you. Just click on that and click on create now. You can either create with AI or you can select scenes. I'll be creating with AI. From scenes, if you choose, it will be just like choosing your video template. So I'll be doing some like e-learning essentials. By using that AI tool, you can create all these 3D explainer videos. You will be directed to this editor where you can edit your entire explainer video and exploring e-learning tools. Now this is AI generated. Okay, so here you can edit limited sort of things, like if you want to edit your fonts, you need to buy their premium features. Yes, there will be watermark. It is a great disadvantage. After that, you can export in 720p with watermark. After doing that, you can do your own editing, like you can add your own voiceover on that, or if you want to add AI voices, that is also you can do. Now this one is for 3D animations. In YouTube videos, you used to see sketch animations, right? Let me show you what it will look like. This is for the sketch animation. Now this is a very great way to make sketch tutorials. If you want to make sketch tutorials, you can use Render Forest, this sketch facility, or you can also generate own kind of sketches by using its AI. Now if I just go back and if I just click on create now, here you can either select scenes or you can create with AI. I'll be creating with AI. Let's say I want to make a topic on about AI. So it looks great. It looks absolutely great. It will take a bit time. You need to wait for a moment if you want a proper sketch related explainer videos like that. So this is how you can generate sketches and then go for exporting for free. If you want to export, you need to go for the just 720p resolution with the watermark. Now our second AI tool that you can use, again the link will be in the description, is Animaker. The link will be in the description. After clicking on that link, you will be directed to their main page. Just go and sign in, and after signing in, you will be directed to this page. Here you can select your own character, like if you are making content creation or explainer videos, and if you want to add your own customized character, then you can definitely go for these characters. You can also create your own character. Here you can see you can choose any character of your want. Now it depends on your age also, like for what age of audience you want to target. Depending upon that, you need to choose your character. Okay, I'll be choosing for this one. So after choosing the character, depending on the resolution, depending on the video size, if you want to add some sort of extra icons or extra graphics, you can go and definitely check out. And by clicking over here, you can obviously add your preferred text. Using this image icon, you will be able to generate the image. Here you can choose your preferred background, like depending on the theme of the project, what project you are making on, you can go for your preferred background, or you can generate the background by using AI. So overall, you can use your creativity and make a very great amount of animated explainer videos. This one is Animaker, and the first one was Render Forest. So you can make really great content by using these sort of features, these sort of AI tools. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you love this video, then make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for getting more and more video updates. And I'll be seeing you next time. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.